Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for giving so much love to this channel, Appy Mommy, and now we are also on Instagram as Appy Mommy. You can follow me at Instagram as well, and I have a Facebook page as well. Please do check that out as well. I keep uploading my regular tips and tricks and some free worksheets there, so do visit there as well. Thank you so much to all of you who have liked my previous videos that I've made around reading and phonic rules and how we learn the letter sounds phonetically, and create phonemic awareness amongst kids who are as young as 2.5 years of age. And those who are new to my channel, I just wanted to tell you that my son Abhi, who is 5 now, he started reading at the age of 2.5, 2.5. Before turning 3, actually he read his first book. So I am going to share the continuation of the previous videos that I have made on how to make your kids read at an early age. We spoke about letter sounds, the blending of the letters to create form words, and read simple words like decode simple words phonetically, and also about sight words. Those who are new to my channel, please check the description box below for those previous videos that I have created. In this video in particular, I am going to talk to you about the vowels, the 5 vowels of the English alphabet, and the long and short sounds of the vowels, and about the magic letter E, the ones that you can see here. So let's get started. So when we talk of vowels, we all know that there are 5 letters in the English alphabets which are called vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now these are also divided into 2 categories. They are divided into long and short vowel sounds. A short vowel sound is the one that we learn while we are learning phonetics, while we were discussing about phonetics, how the phonic sounds, how we make the phonic sounds of various letters. So the short vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, A. So these are called the short vowel sounds. What are long vowel sounds now? The long vowel sounds are exactly how the letters are named, like A, E, I, O, U. These are the long vowel sounds. Now, while reading, when we use these vowels in between 2 consonants, we call them as CVC words, consonant vowel consonant words. We have spoken about it in my previous videos. Now I'll talk to you about the rule of E. I call it the magic letter E, because in the English phonetic rule, we have given some power to this letter E. So when we sound out these words, these 3-letter words, CVC words, we use the short vowel sound of the center vowel that we are using in this word, like N, O, T. How do we sound it out? Not. That's how we spell it out. That's how we sound it out. That's how we read it phonetically, basically. Not, 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 or not. Right? Now, what does this magic letter, why do we call this as a magic letter E? So this magic letter E has a power. Whenever we add a magic letter E after a CVC word, it gives power to the first vowel to create the long vowel sound. Now how does this work? N, O, T, not. If we put E, this E will give power to, it will give magical power to the first vowel present in the word, which is O. So here my E will give power to O, and it will give us the sound, the long vowel sound O. So not becomes note. So when an E is put after this, we do not call it as note, because E is giving power to the first vowel used in the word, and instead of note, we are calling it as note. Similarly, k, a, t, cut. That's how we phonetically read it. K, a, t, cut. But if we put a magic letter E after this word, it becomes, it gives the first vowel of the word power to pronounce its, to spell out its long vowel sound, which is U, right? A becomes U. So this word becomes cute. Similarly, ad, ad, mad, mad. This is the short vowel sound, CVC word with the short vowel sound a, mad. But if we put a magic letter E, it gives power to the first vowel of the word, and the first vowel gives the long vowel sound. So mad becomes made. The long vowel sound of A is A, right? Then it is not pronounced, or it doesn't sound as made, it sounds as made. H, I, d, h, I, d, hid. Adding the magic letter E will give power to the first vowel of the CVC word and will give the long vowel sound I, hide. So hid becomes hide. So basically what we need to remember, just to summarize it all, there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. The short vowel sound of these letters are A, E, I, O, A. Okay, the long vowel sounds are exactly how they are named as A, E, I, O, U. U as in cute, A as in cut. So the magic letter E gives power, magical power, to the first vowel present in the CVC word. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further doubts, do write to me in the comment section. If you like this video, please do share a thumbs up, share it with other parents and teachers who believe in teaching reading to their kids phonetically, because I truly believe that having a strong having a very strong foundation of the phonetics is very, very crucial for establishing, achieving your reading targets with your kids. Because I believe it's not a very great idea to make kids mug up all the words, because all the words are not sight words. They can be phonetically decoded, they can be they can follow the phonetic rules. Of course there are exceptions. English is a language of exceptions. We have to keep that in mind as well. But mostly this rule applies everywhere. Mostly it applies everywhere. So if you like this video, please do share a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll come back for the next video that I create. And please do not forget to check out the previous videos, the simpler videos that I have made before, to establish the letter sounds and create phonemic awareness with your kids at a very early age. Thanks for watching. Come again. Bye bye.